Welcome to this review of the Radioddity CB514CB antenna. This is a 23-inch high-gain whip antenna for CB frequencies, and the cable is 157 inches, which is roughly around 14 feet. And we're going to put this on this piece of sign material here because it's a great big aluminum ground plane. There is a stabilizing washer. It looks like a pointy triangle. You want to make sure that's right underneath the plastic gasket when you put this on your material. The really important connection you want to make sure on the bare metal here on the back of this sign, there is a tooth washer on this mounting button. You want that tooth washer to be right in contact with the material, so make sure if you've got metal there, you want to make sure that is clear of paint or any surface that might insulate it. Then you're going to tighten it up. This is a 10 millimeter wrench here. No rocket science going on. And what we end up with is a really excellent ground plane with this piece of metal that a lot of mounts for CBs don't take into account, but my installation does.
Per hour. And on Wednesday, rain likely. Highs from the upper 40s to lower 60s. I want to see if I can ease up in somebody's radio.
I did find the quality of this antenna to be quite high for its price point, and you will need to solder on the PL259 connector on the end of this cable. I believe they provide it that way so that it makes installation easier, and it is a solder on connector, so you will need a soldering iron to complete installation. Have a great day.